prairies. Wheat kings have all the treasures buried, and all you hear are the rusted breezes pushing around the weather-vane Jesus. Hippolytus sees the killer's face. Maybe it's someone standing in the killer's place. 20 years for nothing, well, that's nothing new. Besides, no one's interested in something you didn't do. We kids and pretty things, let's just see what the morning brings. It's a dream he dreams where the high school is dead and stuck. It's a museum and we're all locked up in it after dark, where the walls are lined in all yellow, gray and sinister, hung with pictures of our parents' prime ministers. We kings and pretty things, wait and see what tomorrow brings. Paper-breaking story on the CBC. A nation whispers we always knew that he'd go free. The ad you can't be fond of living in the past, 'cause if you are, then there's no that you're gonna last. We kings and pretty things, see what tomorrow brings. We kings and pretty things, let's just see what tomorrow brings.